question is that, Nishkarsh, how do I get over the fear of losing money in ads? I get this question asked so many times, that how do I get rid of this fear of mine that I fear losing money in ads? You know what? I want to ask you a question. Do you get hungry? Of course, all of us do. Do you invest money in vegetables? Do you? Of course, you do. Do you put in money for fruits, vegetables, junk food, or whatever you wanna have? Of course you do. And fruits and vegetables are not very cheap nowadays. Why do you invest that money? Why do you buy fruits and vegetables? You buy fruits and vegetables because you wanna have food. It's a necessity. You really want to have food because you believe that if I don't have food, 3 times a day, 5 times a day, I would not be able to survive. This is a strong belief that we have. And because of that, we never worry about investing money in food. But when it comes to our businesses, we're like, I'm not sure. I'm really fearful about it. Why? Because you don't see that, you don't see your business as a necessity. You don't see making money from your business as a necessity. It's just an option for you. But if you're really committed to make your business work, if you're really committed to, let's say, make your e-commerce business work, you will do whatever it takes. Like, you never think about paying 100 rupees for onions, or 100 rupees for capsicum, or 100 rupees for oranges. Why? Because you really want it. You feel it's a necessity. But for your business is just an option for you. So if you're somebody who fears investing money in ads, ask yourself this question: why don't I fear investing money in food? You need to start seeing your business as a necessity. You need to be really committed to make your business work, because if you're really committed, trust me, you're going to be fearless and you're going to do whatever it takes to make your business work. Let me know in the comments if that makes sense to you. Do share this video with somebody who you feel is going to find value. All right, like the video and do let me know what you think. I'm going to see you next time.